Guys, is it time or is it time? Your boy's rested up. I've waited way too long. It is time to unbox the PlayStation 5. Let's get Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Andy Dooley. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm all about faith, family, and fitness, and I can't find an F word for tech. However, if you can help me out, comment down below. Other than that, your boy has a PlayStation 5. If you saw my video of waiting for 9 hours to cop one, and if you haven't, go check it out. But without further ado, I want to play it. I want to jump into it. This ain't going to be a long video. Let's check it out. I'll first show you what I have. So, I have the Pulse 3D wireless headset. I thought it was fresh when I saw it, so I knew for sure I had to get me one. And I happened to walk into a store called Fred Meyer's, and they had one. So I was able to get it. So that's one thing I have. Need I say more? Need I say more? And here we are. Yo, this box is pretty heavy. No joke. I'm 6'4", and I mean, look at this. Look at this bad boy. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Yo, this is heavy. There's a box within the box. This is the other box. So you have your manual, power cord, oh yes. So what we have here is the controller. Oh, look at that bad boy. That's beautiful. That is sleek, it's clean. It feels good in the hand. Oh my goodness. I really like how the buttons are clear. Look at that. It still has a grip, but it's a little slick. It reminds me a little bit of the Xbox controller, but different. It's the best way I can say it. And then, I don't know if you guys know, if you look really, really, really close, you can see the X, the O, the triangle. I'll spare you all that. This feels really nice. There you go. You also have your USB cable right here. Again, the manuals. Something else in here. So it looks like this is the base. Yep. The base for your PlayStation. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I'm probably going to have it vertical and not lay it down, but we'll see. And then we have one more thing in here, your HDMI. That's what it comes with in the first box. Now, let's see this beautiful bad boy. Oh gosh, it's got some weight to it. unloading that box, unloading these crate looking things. It's another one out of there. All right, here we go. Oh, this is a beaut, guys. This is a beautiful piece of hardware. There you go. It is huge though. Mind you, I'm 6'4". This is almost my entire torso. I'll set it down right here. It's a pretty tall machine. Alright, look how huge this bad boy is. I gotta back up for you to see it. Slouch my seat so you can see it. But really quick, you have your ACN, HDMI cable, LAN port, and then here are 2 USB slots. Then if I flip it around, so beautiful, my goodness. This is your power button right here. Then you have another USB port. And then this is your power indicators right in there. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the base on because I don't wanna mess around and it be the issue or problem that I have if I do not have it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it even though I don't really want to. Okay, like I mentioned, I'm going to put the base on. So I'm supposed to remove this little, there it is, this little piece. Remove that screw. And now attach this like so. And then put the screw in. So this little piece that we removed earlier, all we have to do is snap it back here in the bottom and we're good to go. Now the base is fully connected. It's super simple. It's very easy to do, as you can see. Literally was seconds. And there you go. Let's get this connected, shall we?
Adjust privacy settings by choosing a profile. To move, press the up and down buttons. Team player.
There you go, guys. That's a little taste of the PS5 unboxing experience. I didn't want to go into gameplay too much. I'll save that for another video. I did dabble into Astro's Playroom. Guys, if you want to really get a taste and feel of the capabilities of this controller, you need to go ahead and play the free game that comes with the PS5, Astro's Playroom. I'm telling you, you find out the capabilities of this controller. You feel when you land on metal, you know you're on metal. You feel wind. It's hard to explain it to you, but when you're playing, you know that you're on metal. You know by the feel of the response on your controller and the sound. I mean, you can feel when you're pulling on something. There's a part of it where you're pulling, and on the L2, L1 buttons, you can feel the resistance. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. I popped in Spider-Man just to get a glimpse, get a taste. It's gonna be over. It's gonna be over. So guys, I don't want this video to go any longer. I just wanted to let you know I'm excited. I can't wait for you to get yours. Comment down below, did you get yours yet? What game are you gonna play first? What is the game that you cannot wait to play on the PS5? And any other questions that you have about the PS5, I'm still, peruse through it, learn it. I'm setting things up. I'm setting up even, the media. And I will give you this tip. My boy Dominic, if you're watching this, thank you for giving me this little tip. Make sure you're signed in on your PlayStation app. Download it now. Make sure you're signed in. It makes everything that much easier. I made sure I was signed in, and it made the setup super easy. So make sure you do that. That's a little pro tip that I was given, and I'm relaying it to you guys. All right, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoy my content, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you know every time I'm dropping videos. I will be bringing out videos more often now between faith, family, fitness, and if we could figure out an F word for tech, that's what it's gonna be. So I'm gonna sign off. It's your boy Dooley. Make sure you join in, you comment, engage, and let's build this family. All right, it's your boy Dooley. I'm out.